I would love to welcome Mmimetika to start with. Thank you.
Hello. Am I on? Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Jan Mausing, and I'm starting with a true story. I'm an entrepreneur in food, bio, and biotech, and I'm 67 years old. According to local statistics in where I'm from in Denmark, that leaves me 12 years to live. 12 years, only 12 years. So, as my probably last, but definitely best project, I decided to co-found Mmimetika to keep me from retiring and to keep me going for many years to come using our products. I'm actually the first customer of ours, albeit a non-paying one at the moment. That will hopefully change. As everybody has been discussing in this conference, AIDS problems are getting to us all. You just wait. And on top of that, we worsen matters with our lifestyle-related exercises. And what really seems to be the only or the best proven tools for ameliorating those problems are hard exercise and sustained calorie restriction. But that is not perhaps suited for everybody, especially the deceased and the very elderly, and couldn't we all use a helping hand from now and then? That is where we come in. We have a solution that mimics the effects of hard exercise and fasting, and let me explain how that works. Our solution is a drink. You drink once or twice a day, 25 to 30 grams. In the drink, there is a patented lactate ketone ester that upon ingestion in our intestine is very rapidly hydrolyzed and transformed into beta-hydroxybutyrate, BHB, and lactate. And at the dose we give it, we reach millimolar levels very rapidly of those two metabolites. And the high levels, the millimolar levels of lactate and BHB are classical hallmark signs of sustained calorie restriction and of hard exercise. And as a really growing body of scientific evidence shows concerning the use of external lactate and external BHB, there is an array of positive functions in many different bodily functions and systems related to longevity, and not only related to the lactate and BHB as an energy source, but also via receptor-mediated hormonal systems. What we are here to do is to invite all the great minds in this conference to try our product, Lake. This is the lead product. You see the composition to your left on this slide in clinical trials related to longevity. And should you be an investor, we invite you to think about making a seed investment in our company for getting us to the market. You see our assets and current activities in the slide to the right. And with this view of our sadly very unbalanced founder team, a quote from another old guy, and my contact details, so thank you for your attention.
Thank you. Judges, questions? Sergey,
I have a question. Thank you very much for your pitch. That was actually perfect timing because I did time you. So that was 2 minutes, 59 seconds. Good job. I have a question on the go-to-market strategy. You're a supplement company. And at least for now, you're a supplement company. So you will be judged by the sales and your ability to kind of permeate the market fast. And so if you can expand on that, that'll be very helpful. And then you mentioned you have patent families. So I'm curious, what is exactly patented and how reverse engineer prone actually are you?
Sure. On the first question, our go-to-market strategy, we are right now in the process of acquiring the necessary approvals for releasing the product as a supplement, which is actually quite complicated in both Europe and the USA. But we are in collaboration with partners that also envisage these products as FSMPs, food for special medical purposes, and perhaps also in the pharma area. And the reason why this is doable is exactly because of our patent situation that refers to the second question. because we have not just found one lactate ketone compound. We have a whole array of different compounds that has been patented at the compound level. It's not their functions, it's not how they work in our body, that's that too, but it's the actual chemical composition of those compounds that has been patented.
Thank you. Just one question.
Actually, pretty much similar question. You know, supplements industry is very fragmented. So how are you planning to structure your messaging, your branding around that? I mean, the average consumer doesn't really understand what your you know, the science behind it. So do you have, you know, an idea about your branding, your messaging, the user, how you attract their attention?
I can chime in on that. So the supplement company pitch, generally speaking, is the same across the whole board. It's, if you look at everything starting from athletic greens down to vitamin C, right? I mean, it's enhancing performance and, you know, well-being and what have you. So how do you communicate the USP? How do you communicate the USP?
I think that our names tries to allude to the decision where we call ourselves Mmimmetika. So we are relying heavily on the scientific body of evidence. We are a science-based company. We are founded by three full professors from Aarhus University and Aarhus University Hospital, and a body of scientific evidence. So this is more than just a new vitamin C. It is something that is heavily relying on a really big body of scientific evidence and growing body of scientific evidence. So, for getting the products to the market, we will certainly also be working to two partners to get it quickly adapted in the marketplace. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We are just on time. Thank you. Give a applause.